All right, this is the third lesson of the Prohibition unit. We are going to be today comparing and contrasting the use of alcohol among different levels of society before and after the 18th Amendment was enacted. So talking about what happened and how society acted before the 18th Amendment and how society acted in result of the 18th Amendment. The state standard that I used was analyze how individuals and movements have shaped world history. And then we'll have an assessment during this class time, and the assessment will be about what they learned and some opinion stuff, and then we'll talk about those opinions. Reminder, these are 9th graders, and here we go.
Morning.
Good morning, Seth. Good morning, Bruce. Good morning, Mr. Evanger. All right, so you guys can do your daily morning routine that we do every day. Please write the learning goal for today, and the prompt for today is what is something you learned yesterday. Pretty simple. We'll talk about it in a couple minutes. Then if you could please put your phone away and write in your journal, that would be awesome. All right, class. So yesterday we learned about the 18th Amendment, and you guys took a look at it. We actually got to do some annotation of the actual 18th Amendment and kind of made some predictions of what is going to happen to society going forward. Today we're going to compare and contrast what happened before the 18th Amendment and how society acted, and then after the 18th Amendment was passed, then what happened to the society in terms of alcohol usage. So first we are going to watch a video to kind of give you guys a little more information about what happened directly after the 18th Amendment was passed. There's a video guide, so as you guys are watching, will you guys please fill out the video guide and the questions it has to ask you. I'm going to have to confiscate that, Mr. Evanger, if you keep playing on it. So, here's the video. Okay, class, I know that was a long video. It was about 30 minutes, but if you guys all have completed your video guides, did anybody miss anything on their video guides that we need to fill in together? Yes, Bruce?
Who's the president who passed Prohibition?
That's a really great question. I'm pretty sure I know Hoover was afterwards. But I'm pretty sure it was Obama. Okay, so
Thanks, Obama.
Thanks, Obama.
Thanks, Obama.
So, to clarify some of the things that the video talked about, we're going to clarify speakeasies, bootlegging, and just people drinking in general. So, speakeasies, does anybody remember what a speakeasy is from the video? Yes.
It's like a place I just remember they have trapdoors, you can go in it, and then you could drink there. No one would know you.
Right, kind of like hidden passageways through buildings sometimes to a bar. Does anybody know why it was called the speakeasy? No? It's because when you start drinking, the words just kind of start flowing out a little more. You speak easier. That's kind of the reason it was called that. Yeah, it is. I'm a history teacher here. And then bootlegging. So there's a couple key players in bootlegging, and a lot of them would have operations where they would sell their alcohol to someone and then have some of their men steal it along the way and then tell the people that they sold it to, like, oh, sorry, someone stole it, still have the money, and then still have their alcohol. So it's kind of like this continuous loop, which was pretty cool for those people, I guess. And then people drinking together. So before Prohibition, usually women and men drank separately. African American and white people usually drank separately. But when this all happened, everybody just started drinking together because it was all the common good, and they wanted to have a good time. So, yeah. So now, next we are going to take a short assessment from the last 2 days and today on a little bit of what you guys learned. We're going to be, you guys are going to be assessed on what it says, and then we're going to compare and contrast what happened before and after. So if you guys could please take this exam, little quiz thing, that would be great. Awesome. Okay. I'll collect those from you guys. I agree, Seth. Okay. So, a couple quick questions for you. We're going to compare and contrast here. So, what was the view on alcohol before the 18th Amendment really happened?
Okay.
Good stuff.
Yeah, just normal.
There's a lot more drinking involved.
Yeah, people drank like 6 to 7 gallons of pure alcohol per year, and then afterwards, got worse. That's right. What's something that you've learned before and after, Bennett?
Before alcohol, everybody drank a lot because of World War One.
Before alcohol or before the Prohibition?
Before Prohibition, and then after Prohibition, people drank a lot because the government told them not to.
That's a very good observation. Seth, do you have anything to add? Before and after?
Before and after, well, I mean, I don't really have it before or after. No, it's kind of cool because led to a bunch of cool stories. Like, I got an uncle who used to bootleg, so.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, that is about it. Tomorrow we are going to be looking at the 21st Amendment, which overturned Prohibition, and how we got to that point. So, bells just rung, and you guys are dismissed.